Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping your name at the top. That accesses your Apple ID and the device name field. Once there, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and connected to cellular or Wi-Fi so changes propagate to Hotspot. You do not need to enter passwords now if Face ID or Touch ID is active. However, be ready to authenticate if prompted. This step sets the exact system name used for personal hotspot and identifies the device to others. Now scroll to General and open About, then tap Name to edit the device name. That name becomes your personal hotspot SSID. Enter a clear, short name. Avoid unusual special characters to prevent connection problems with some devices. Once you type the new name, tap Done to save. Make sure the change appears in Settings immediately. If not, re-enter and save again. This step changes how other devices see and select your hotspot when you enable it. Finish by opening Settings, Personal Hotspot, and verifying the displayed network name matches what you set. That confirms success. If the name still shows the old one, restart your iPhone and check again. Restarting forces system services to refresh. If restarting fails, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings and sign back in. This forces name propagation across services. One key troubleshooting tip: if other devices still show the old SSID.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.